Hey everyone, is your AirPods case flashing orange or white continuously? Don't stress, you're not the only one. In this video, I'll explain what those blinking lights mean and show you how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. So, when your AirPods blink orange light or amber colored light, it usually means your AirPods aren't fully charged or there is a pairing issue. White light flashing means your AirPods are in pairing mode. If it's blinking and not connecting, something might be wrong. But don't panic, let's fix it. Solution 1. Recharge and reseat the AirPods. Put both AirPods inside the case and close the lid. Wait for 30 seconds. Then open the lid and check the status light. If it's green, you're good. If it's amber, the AirPods or case needs charging. Try using an official Apple charger and a different wall outlet. Let it charge for 15 to 30 minutes and try again. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Resetting clears out connection glitches. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPods models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid again and open it. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth, then tap the eye icon next to it. And forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Alright folks, following these steps should fix your issue. But if the light keeps blinking and they won't reset or pair, there could be a hardware problem or a battery issue. In that case, reaching out to Apple support or visiting an Apple store would be your best option. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more solutions like this.